A lot of people are wondering what's going on with the foreclosure moratorium.
Yeah, absolutely. And we are, especially because there are several properties that we have pending eviction cases. And as of late August, the Supreme Court actually overturned the federal eviction moratorium, basically saying that if that was going to happen, the CDC was not the appropriate arm for that. It was going to have to be congressional action. And this was a 6-3 decision with the more leftward-leaning justices dissenting. And it was on the heels of a 5-4 decision that upheld a previous moratorium where basically the justices kind of indicated, well, it's about to sunset on its own, so we might as well just let that happen. But the 6-3 decision makes it clear that Congress is going to have to act. And based on precedent, it looks like there's going to be pretty much gridlock with any sort of congressional action. So as far as any further moratorium, it doesn't appear that there will be one immediately forthcoming.
Yeah, and it's a situation where we got two different foreclosure situations, eviction situations. One is with federal loans, Freddie Mac, Fannie Mae. You've got that. Can you speak to that? And then also landlord tenants.
Well, it just depends. I mean, it's going to be, so you have the federal laws and then you have your state-by-state laws. When you get into the state-by-state situation, that's where you have it treated differently. I mean, this relief effort was an attempt to treat the stations in the areas where the breakouts of COVID-19 were more heavily populated.
Right.
And that's what people are running into is sort of the moratorium is just sort of a blanket moratorium. And at the end of the day, it's going to come down to be sort of a conflict of laws issue potentially between the federal laws, as you've indicated, and the state laws. There's a potential butting of heads there.
Right.